This is Hemant here for Knowledge Pool. Today I'm going to tell you about the Vlookup and why Vlookup is so important for our day-to-day life. First of all, I'll tell you what is Vlookup. Vlookup means the finding out some values from the list of accounts. For example, you have a student database where you have the student's name, his roll number, marks obtained, year of birth, and all. So how you're going to find out the values quickly from the list of data. For example, I'll tell you here we have a name, marks, department, location. Now I would like to know what is the marks what Mr. Ismail has obtained and what is his department and what is location from list of data. So first we put the first VLOOKUP. Then we can see that here lookup value. What you want to look up? I want to look up Ismail. Then you can see the table array. Table array is your data range from where to where. So this is my data range. I selected everything, complete data range. Then you can see column index. Column index means which column you want the value. For example, I want the mark. Then I have to select column 2. You can see column 2. I'll put column 2. Then I want the exact value, so I'll put it false or 0. I'll put it false or 0. Then you can see that we will easily get the lookup value for Ismail, what marks he has obtained. You can see that 8. Now you can see Ismail is 8. Likewise, now I'm fixing the data range. In order to fix the data range, you have to put the dollar here, 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 and here. Now you can, if you copy the first formula, drag it here, you can get all the departments. Now I want to see the value for the department. What is the department where it says my working? So I'll do the same formula, smile, then data range, now you can see the department is column 3. Then we'll put the column 3, comma 0. Exactly. We'll get the values. Same, you do the lookup for location. I want to see what is the office location for Ismail. Again, I will select the complete data range and I'll select the column what we want here. So column is 4. Now I'll put the 4, 0. You can see, sorry, it's a VLOOKUP. Now you can see that. That's all for now, friends. Tomorrow I'll come up with the VLOOKUP from one file to another file, how you can get the information. Till then, please subscribe my channel, please like my videos. Thank you.